Hello, ladies and gentlemen, hello humans. I would like to speak today about micro black holes. Um, my intuition why I wanted to speak about micro black holes in this short video of 50 minutes is because these holes are important for the new technologies regarding the application of free asymptotical force. Against atomic energy, asymptotical free force is without explosions, but it is related to the quantization of black holes to micro black holes. And I want to explain, and this will be the future of technologies, and this depends on the progress of physics by physicists like me. I'm a protagonist of Dürrenmatt's The Physicist. Okay, no, okay, and we are only to solve the human problems if we have a free energy machine that produces energy out of the phenomenological nothing, and if we have levitating objects to protect us against asteroids, for example. But here he comes into the play, into the reality, micro black holes, and I want to explain what are micro black holes. What are micro black holes, and I want to explain why they are not dangerous. We have here, for example, the Earth. And the Earth turns around the Sun. So, and here, this turning of the Earth around the Sun appears, this is the motion direction, by a curved space-time. Let's draw it in like this. It is a field a four-dimensional curved space where the Earth is inside a system like this. This is here the curved space-time. I can draw it like this. Oh. This is a very, very large, not a large, it's a black hole. And inside the Earth, inside the Sun, this is the curved space, and inside the Sun there's a little bowl, and this is with a diameter in the hyperspace of 1 meter. This is the one singularity Schwarzschild radius, and this space, curved space is a black hole, and this causes the gravitational force in this direction, Fg, and we have the anti-gravitational force in this direction, F asymptotically free, that it is not antiparallel, follows to the motion force in this direction. It is momentum by t, by time, and here's the centrifugal force, Fc. Centrifugal force, it's mv squared by the distance r, which is here. Okay, and the gravitational force is the experimental gravitational constant in time direction. For the zero singularity, it's 0.767 times minus 11 cubic meter per kilogram and square time times mass of the Earth, mass of the Sun by the squared distance. And okay, and this is the field here, and we can the curved gravitational field, and the curved gravitational field is explained by Einstein's field equations, and there's the left part of this equation that explains the curvature, and the right part of this explains the field, the energy, the electromagnetic field of these components of this gravitational field. And here this is a micro black hole. This is like this one, like this. Let's draw it like this. As a simpler explanation, but here's the Sun, and the Earth is somewhere here and turns around the singularity. This is the Earth. This is the Sun. And here, inside these fields, inside this curved gravitational field, there are a lot of micro black holes. This is new and is by far not considered in the physical universities. But it is considered in a deeper perspective of quantum gravity. I think in a little bit covered by mathematics, but I think it is already there in quantum gravity, that there are these there is a quantized gravitational field, and these micro black holes are now forming larger structures by the interaction of these four holes to the whole gravitational field. And this depends here on the mass of the Sun, and to how big is this, how big are these domains of micro black holes. And for very large black holes, I have to say that black holes in the space are like bulbs. and they are like balls and cubes at once. And so here we can see we live already in a black hole. The Sun-Earth system is here a black hole. The Earth also generates a gravitational field. And we can see that this attraction G is caused by the opening, by the interaction of micro black holes to larger black holes. And each object, let's say my hand or the mirror there, is made of micro black holes and causes a gravitational field. And what is the depth of the micro black holes? I can draw a micro black hole and we can see that by the square, and with in the Hilbert space. What's all this called? This is a three-dimensional space with a fourth space axis here. And this has a depth of only 10 to minus 34. We have to look from here to here because this is an imaginary axis and this is a real axis. Sorry. From here to here is the depth of the micro black hole. And this is the second part of the micro black hole. This is overlapped with the first one. It is minus I 10 to minus 34 meters. And I means complexity. Behind I is a mathematical complexity of the whole universe. It is not a space dimension, it is everything. I means the complexity of everything in a formula that would describe everything in a special way, not in a general way like the formula of everything. So, and this is so to say the micro black holes are very, very small. They are so small let's say this 10 to minus 1 is 0.1. Okay, with 33 zeros behind the comma, and then first comes the 1. Yeah, right. And you can see it's so unbelievable small, the depth of the micro black hole. And these are overlapped, and so there appears this gravitational field. Micro black holes are force fields, and force fields are fractals. Fractals are the ordering of number lines, the ordering of structure. It is the ordering of things. These are not real holes like something where can a finger put brought inside. These are fields. These are complex fields of fractals and force. This is what I want to explain today. Bye.